Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. We already know the fundamental of trigonometry. Today I am going to discuss the concept of compound angle, multiple angle and sub-multiple angles. Let's compound angle. This is compound angle, multiple angle and submultiple angle. Okay. What is compound angle? Compound angle multiple angle and submultiple angle. What is compound angle? The angles which are in the form of a plus b, a minus b, a plus b plus c, etc. are called compound angles. Clear? The angles which are in the form of a plus b, a minus b, a plus b plus c, etc. are called compound angles. Now multiple angles. The angles which are in the form of in the form of 2a, 3a, 4a, etc. are called multiple angle. What is submultiple angle? The angles which are in the form of a by 2, a by 3, a by 4, etc. are called submultiple angles. Clear? What is compound angle formula? Compound angle formulae. First formula, sin a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Number 2, sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a into sin b. cos A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Now cot A plus B, cot A plus B, cot A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. Cot A minus B, cot A minus B, cot A minus B is equal to cot A minus cot A into cot B plus 1 divided by, mind it, cot B minus cot A. You have to remember this formula. Okay. Now application of this formula. Now application of this formula. I do some application of this formula. Find the values of now some application of A plus B, A minus B formula of the trigonometric. Find the values of sin 15 degree, cos 15 degree, tan 15 degree and cot 15 degree. Now first sin 15. Answer sin 15 degree. We can write sin 15 means 45 degree minus what? 15 degree. So this is sin A plus B, sin A minus B. This is equal to sin 45 into cos what? Cos 15 minus cos 45 degree into sin 15. This is equal to 1 by root 2 cos 15. Here 30. Here 30. Here this is 30 and this is 30. 15 into cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Cos 45. This is equal to what? Cos 1 by root 2 sin 30 means 1 by 2. So LCM 2 root 2. This is root 3 minus 1. This is equal to sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree is equal to what? Now note, sin 15 degree is equal to cos 75 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the formula sin 15 and cos 75. The values of sin 15 and cos 75. Now another, cos 15 is equal to cos 15 is equal to cos 15 is equal to what? Solution, second solution. Cos 15 means cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. Cos of A minus B formula. Cos A means 45 into cos B means 30 plus sin 45 into sin 30. So cos 45 1 by root 2 sin cos 30 root 3 by 2 sin 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 root 2 root 3 plus 1. This is equal to cos 15 degree. Clear? Note, cos cos 15 degree is equal to sin 75 degree is equal to what? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Again tan 15 is equal to tan 15 solution. Tan 15 degree is equal to tan 45 minus 30, that is equal to tan 45 minus tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree, which is equal to 1 minus tan 30, 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. This is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. And rationalize this. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Clear? And this is equal to a minus b whole square, 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. This is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So which is equal to 2 minus root 3. So tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Tan 15 is equal to what? Tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. And note, tan 15 is equal to tan 15 is equal to tan 15 is equal to cot 75 is equal to what? 2 minus root 3. Again cot 15 is equal to cot 15 is equal to cot 45 minus 30. Cot A minus B formula. Cot A means cot 45 into cot B means 30 degree, cot 30 degree plus 1 divided by cot B. Cot B means cot 30 minus cot A means cot 45 degree. Cot 45 1, cot 30 root 3 plus 1 divided by, this is equal to cot 30 root 3, this is 1, which is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. I rationalize this. This is equal to root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. This is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 plus root 3. So cot 15 is equal to what? Cot 15 degree is equal to 2 plus root 3. And note, cot 15 is equal to tan 75 degree is equal to 2 plus root 3. These are the standard values of the trigonometric functions. Okay. And another one application, sin of a plus b plus c is equal to sin of a plus b plus c is equal to sin of a plus b plus c is equal to sin a into cos b into cos c plus sin b into cos c or cos a into cos c plus sin c into cos a into cos b. Now to prove this, left hand side, this is equal to sin a plus b plus c, and states sin of, this is equal to sin of, suppose a plus b is considered as a and c is considered as b. So apply this formula, sin of a plus b. What is sin of a plus b formula? This is equal to suppose a and this is equal to suppose b. Apply this formula, sin of a plus b. Sin a means a plus b into cos b means cos c plus cos a means a plus b into sin b, b means here c, and this is equal to what? Apply this to sin a plus b formula. So sin a plus b formula, sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b into cos c. Okay, then cos a plus b formula, cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b whole into sin c. Now multiply and write sin first. This is equal to sin a into cos b into cos c, then sin b here. So write sin b first, sin b into cos a into cos c, again multiply this, write sin first. So sin c into cos a into cos b minus what? Sin a into sin b into sin c. Okay, now this is suppose left hand side. Consider a plus b is equal to a and c is equal to b, and apply here sin a plus b and apply here cos a plus b formula. Just formula apply, then multiply. We get the answer. Another, this is sin a plus b formula and cos a plus b formula. Cos a plus b plus c. First three causes. Cos a, not three. Cos a, cos b, cos c. Then one cos, two sin. Minus cos a sin b into sin c minus cos b into sin a into sin c minus cos c into sin a into sin b into sin a into sin b. This can be proved also by applying previous method. Similarly, we can prove. Take cos a plus b plus c here. Prove cos a plus b h a, consider a. This is apply cos a plus b formula. This is equal to what? Cos a means a plus b here into cos b means cos c minus sin a plus b into sin c. So apply formulas, a plus b formulas. This is equal to what? This is equal to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b whole into what? Cos c. Now this is equal to sin a plus b, sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b whole into sin c, and apply this formula. This is equal to multiply cos a cos b cos c minus cos c into sin a into sin b minus what? Cos b sin a into sin c minus cos a sin b sin c. So this is arrange this cos a cos b cos c. First cos a here present, so write this first minus cos a sin b into sin c. Here cos b present, so write this minus cos b into sin c, sin a into sin c, and finally minus what? Cos c into sin a into sin b, as proved. Now tan of a plus b plus c. Now tan of a plus b plus c. Formula tan of a plus b plus c. tan of A plus B plus C. This is equal to what? Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan B into tan C minus tan C into tan A. Left hand side tan of A plus B plus C. Consider A plus B is A. This is equal to what? Tan, this is A plus B plus C. This is equal to what? Tan A plus B plus tan C whole divided by 1 minus tan A plus B into tan C. Here we applied tan A plus B formula. Tan A means A plus B, B means C. Tan A plus B formula. So tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now simplify. Now simplify this. Tan A plus B formula. Apply tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B plus tan C divided by 1 minus here tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B whole into tan C whole into tan C. Simplify taking LCM of this is a LCM of 1 minus tan A into tan B. Here tan A plus tan B. Clear? This is divided by 1, so this multiply plus what? Plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C whole divided by this is LCM and multiply this 1 minus tan A into tan B minus multiply this minus what? Tan A into tan C minus tan B into tan C divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So 1 minus tan A into tan B goes cancel. Again here what? This is equal to, the formula is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C whole divided by, arrange this 1 minus tan A into tan B 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan B into tan C minus tan C into tan A, which is the formula hence proved. Thank you. Have a nice day.